I don't love her no more. 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 I don't love her because the girl think I'm cheating on her. I told her I don't do that because I'm not that man. Every time I see her, she said, "Who is it?" I said, I told her that just a friend. I said, don't worry about it because we ain't doing that. I'm just a type of couple because we been seeing a long time. We just like brothers and sisters, just like that. We hang out, eat, sleep every day. I said, what you looking at? I told you everything that I know. And that's why I don't love you no more because you crazy sneak. God, you do some stupid stuff. That's why I don't love you no more. She crazy. She fake. She can't be trusted. She don't deserve me. That's why I don't love her no more. I don't love her. I don't love her. I don't love her. I don't love her no more. 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 There she go coming back. I don't want her back. She treat me like a sack. She cried so hard like a freaking rainfall. I don't want you, baby, cause you be tripping. I gave you everything that I just gave it to you. I put my feeling inside of your heart. I thought you was my queen, but you turned out to being the devil. Unprotected, that's why for not for me. That's why I moved on. Just understand I don't love you no more. You crazy. You lying. You stupid. You lying. I'm just telling you, girl, you just lame. That's why I don't love you no more.